What's up, Rated R Cars family? First of all, thanks to John, one of the subscribers, for making these awesome shirts and sending them to me. I appreciate it. If you guys are interested in these shirts, let me know and I will develop a merch site so that we can get a fund going for a supercharger. Because I'm broke now. So, I have, excuse me. So I have been thinking of ways to spice up the channel, to do a few things that are interesting that other car guys might not be doing. One of those things is I bought a couple of drones that have 1080p cameras because I thought I'd do some aerial acrobatics and mix things up for you guys. Bad news. One of the drones lost control and damaged the Shelby. I'm not very happy about this, but I was grabbing some action shots, so look forward to those videos coming out soon. And you know, we hit the car a few times in one flight. So it's kind of like one crash and burn, boom, boom, boom. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Might have to visit Consumer Auto Body one more time. Hopefully one more time. She needs a bath, by the way. Apologies for that. So, first of all, the drone crashed, I don't know where, somewhere on the Expel. I don't know if the Expel protected it or not, but I don't see any damage on the Expel. And then it came around this way and hit there. As you know, with the quadcopter, there's 4 blades spinning so fast that when I tried to save the car, I almost cut my finger off and I was bleeding. I'll show you footage right here. And then here's the real kicker right here. As you can see, the blades had their way with the car and cut through the, or at least cut into the clear coat. I tried to brush it off to see if it was just a mark, but as you can see, it's not. It's into the clear coat. And that's about 9 inches across. And then the drone made her way over here and tagged the plastic. Can't really see it very well, but there's a few marks here. On the plastic there. I tried to sacrifice myself for the good of the Shelby, like any good Mustang owner would, and I ended up bleeding for it. So yeah, got about a, I don't know, maybe 9-inch scar right there. Luckily it's not like, you know, well, that one's obvious. I'm hoping I can just buff that out right quick. Luckily it didn't like tear into like the Expel, because Expel is very expensive to replace. I have a buffing machine that I can hopefully buff these out with, but you can't replace the Expel yourself. You have to have a pro do it, and it's very expensive. Once again, like with my 2018 Mustang GT, I'm out here destroying my car for your guys' entertainment. If you appreciate that, make sure you hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, you know the deal. Anyway, a couple other things going on with the car. Let's take a look inside. So, I don't know if any of you guys know what this stuff is, but a couple things fell out from over here and I have no idea what they are. First one is this thing. Does anybody know what this is? It's a piece of plastic. It appears to be broken here and here, about the size of a finger. No idea what this is. I just found it sitting right down there under my feet. I don't see anything where it could have fallen off, but no idea. It's not like I hear any engine noises or anything, so I'm not really sure what that is. Any ideas, let me know in the comments. The next thing I also found under here on the footwell is this, and this doesn't alarm me at all, but it looks like it's just a pop on, something to pop on to and maybe screw on a little bit. It's not the carpet holder, because those look like that. I'm not really sure, and I don't see any place where it could have fallen out. Any idea what this is, guys? Let me know. I'm assuming these are the same parts found on the Mustang GT. Anyway, so oh man, it's hot out here. So we also have a problem with shifting into first, and this one worries me a little bit. I mean, I'm not really terribly worried because I haven't done anything to the car yet in terms of mods, so anything that breaks is going to be covered by warranty. Unless you kill your car with a quadcopter. But, hold on, please. Nice, awesome tripod, by the way. Amazon Basics. Thing cost only $19.99, and it like does everything. It's got a hook, all kinds of good stuff. Anyway, maybe I'll do a review on this someday. Let me know if you guys want a review of like tech stuff like that. All right. What was I going to say? Write in the comments what I was going to say. What was I talking about? Did I mention it's hot as hell here?
It is 91,000 damn degrees. I am sitting right next to my air conditioner. Right next to it.
Oh yeah, the biggest problem of all. Of course I forgot that. So shifting into first in this car a few times has either not gone into first when I thought it went into first, and I ended up just, revving the engine a little bit and saying, oh my god, I'm out of gear. Or I think it's in first already and I start to let out the clutch and it grinds a little bit. And then the other day, as you'll see in a video here, when I was making the things I hate and things I love about the Shelby, I actually got stuck for a few seconds on the road with cars behind me. You could actually probably hear the car beeping right here. Doors everywhere were so awesome. And there's none in the GT350. Oops. What's going on here? That's weird. Sometimes this doesn't shift into first. So we just stumbled upon maybe the first thing that I don't like about the GT350 is that shifting into first sometimes doesn't shift into first. Or maybe it's just that I don't feel comfortable cramming it into first. But sometimes like I shift into first and it's not in first. Sometimes I think it's in first, but when I push it a little bit harder, it's like starts to grind. So maybe I'll get that checked out at the dealer. So I had put it into first. I really hesitate to slam a gear into first. A few people told me that this gearbox requires you to throw it into first and second, etc. But I hesitate to do that. I don't really like to jam anything in this car. But yeah, I thought I'd shift into first. The light turns green. I hit the gas, it revs up and nothing happens. I shifted again. I thought I was into first, rev up and nothing happens again. You can hear a beep behind me. And finally I just kind of slammed it into first. So I don't know if that's normal with this car. It doesn't happen in second, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth, only first. And it's been doing that since like the first day I had it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I might take her in, if that happens again, what just happened in that video I just showed you, I might take her into the shop to get it looked at. Because like I said, if you're kind of slamming stuff in, you might damage shift forks and things like that. And I'd rather not have that happen on the road when cars are behind me. Because I don't know about you, but when someone's sitting at the green light, I kind of want to move. So yeah, that's it. We have a couple of things that fell out from under the driver's side. We have the shifter issue, which I'm hoping maybe I should just have to be a little bit rougher when I shift into first. And then we have some damage from a quadcopter, from some action shots that I'm making for you guys for my next couple of videos. So stay tuned for that. Until then, always remember the motto: always be kinder than necessary. Love you guys and girls.